Find the local maximum and local minimum, if any, for the following function. Find also the local maximum and local minimum values as the case may be. So we have f of x is equal to sin x minus cos x, and we have it between 2 pi and 0. So for sure we have local maximum and minimum because there are sine and cos function, and we know that they have a range of -1 to 1. So now how do we go about doing it? So we can follow this set of steps, find all the critical points, take the endpoints, using all of these values, find the function's behavior and identify the maximum and minimum value. So basically step first would be to differentiate f of x. So f of x prime would be cos of x plus sine of x. And the next step would be step second, zeros of f prime of x. So to do that, I need to equate this to 0, and we have further rearrangement. This would be so. And next is we have to divide on both sides. Again, there are many ways of solving it, so this is what I'm thinking of. So this would be tan x, which is equal to -1, and this is tan of minus pi by 4. So x is minus pi by 4. But since we need to express in terms of values between 0 to 2 pi, so what we have to do is we can consider the quadrant and all of that. So first quadrant, tan is positive, negative, positive, negative. So basically we have to express in terms of second and fourth quadrant. So how will we do that? So x will be equal to, when it comes to your fourth quadrant, it will be 2 pi minus pi by 4. So this is 7 pi by 4. So this is your fourth quadrant. And when it comes to second quadrant, this would be pi minus pi by 4. So this would be 3 pi by 4. This is your second quad. Okay, so we have the concerned values. Right? You should be very thorough with all of this. If not, it's going to be difficult. And finally, we have step third. So figuring out the values. So f of x is equal to sin x minus cos x. So f of 3 pi by 4 would be sine of 3 pi by 4 minus cos of 3 pi by 4. So this is sine of, I'm going to rewrite this as 4 pi by 4 minus pi by 4. That will give me 3 pi by 4, is it not? Cos of 4 pi by 4 minus pi by 4. So this is clearly second quadrant positive, and this is negative. Negative of negative is positive. So this is basically 1 by root 2 minus of minus 1 by root 2. So if you solve it, we will get 2 by root 2. On rationalizing, we will get root 2. Okay. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to mention, I skipped one step, that is, I didn't consider the extreme values, because it is an open interval and need not consider. And then we have f of 7 pi by 4. So this can be written as sine of 8 pi by 4 minus pi by 4. So basically what we calculated from, we are rewriting that, to be honest. So cos of 2 pi minus pi by 4, that's what it means. Okay, I hope you guys know all of this calculation. So 4 and 4 gets cancelled, 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So first quadrant minus pi by 4 basically. So 2 pi, that is entire circle, minus pi by 4, that is fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant, sine is negative, and sine of 2 pi minus pi by 4 is minus 1 by root 2, and this is minus 1 by root 2 again. minus comes from the fact that the expression itself has minus. So all in all, it will be minus root 2, and we have the maximum and minimum value. So the maximum value is of f of x is equal to minus root 2, sorry, plus root 2, and actually this is local maximum. Local maximum value, and we have local maximum occurring at x is equal to 3 pi by 4. Then we have local minimum value of f of x is equal to minus root 2, and we have local minimum at x is equal to 7 pi by 4, right? So let me show this off so that we have the same expression. If you can see, sin x and cos x, and this would be your graph. So we are looking at a point wherein the slope is 0. So this is where the slope is 0. So approximately 2.35 is your input value, and the maximum value, as you can see, it is 1.5ish, between, it's close to 1.5. Root 2 is 1.414. So yeah, we have an approximate answer. So this should be 3 pi by 4. So 3 pi by 4, 3 into 3.14 by 4 will give us that value. Can you see that? Right? We have a same value. Now the minimum value will be somewhere over here. And we have 7 pi by 4. So 5.495. So 5.5. Clearly. Okay, makes sense? Right? So this is where your minimum value is, and this is also approximately minus 1.414. Okay. So this is how we can confirm as well and understand in detail. Right. So you can pause and have a look.